If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
Question: what object is bidirectional when integrating FSM with C4C? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 activity. Option 2 service contract. Option 3 equipment. Option 4 item. Question: which is the recommended browser for screen configuration tool? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 Internet Explorer. Option 2 Google Chrome. Option 3 Firefox. Option 4 Microsoft Edge. Question: which object corresponds to service call in C4C? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 Ticket. Option 2 Sales Order. Option 3 Service Request. Option 4 iBase. Question: which chart types are available in settings to create a report? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1 Column. Option 2 Line. Option 3 Scatter. Option 4 Area. Option 5 Pie. Question: which field is mandatory when creating a service call on SAP Field Service mobile app? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 Equipment. Option 2 Contact. Option 3 Business Partner. Option 4 Priority. Question: what are activities done by the crowd owner? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1 Check and approve partner documents. Option 2 Review partner details. Option 3 Check skills and certifications. Option 4 Accept service calls. Option 5 Plan service calls. Question: what advanced settings can you use to create a dashboard? Note: there are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 Query. Option 2 DTO, Data Transfer Object. Option 3 Object Type. Option 4 Sample Chart. Question: where can service workflow steps can be used in SAP Field Service Management? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 in mobile application when executing an activity. Option 2 in Field Service Management crowd service when dispatching a call. Option 3 in the web application when planning a service. Option 4 in customer self-service when submitting a self-service request. Question: where can you define the user access to the SAP Field Service Management mobile app? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 in the SAP Field Service Management web app. Option 2 in the SAP Field Service Management mobile app. Option 3 in the SAP Field Service Management self-service portal. Option 4 in the SAP Field Service Management crowd service marketplace. Question: customer cannot request service, what is the reason? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 Moment set is not created/configured. Option 2 Business partner not created. Option 3 Item overdue. Option 4 Equipment broken. Question: what can you select creating a dashboard report? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1 sample chart. Option 2 chart type. Option 3 chart title. Option 4 chart category. Option 5 visualization type. Question: which module in SAP Field Service Management is used to create documentation and guidelines for service execution? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 Smart Forms and Feedback. Option 2 Administration. Option 3 Master Data. Option 4 Planning and Dispatching. Question: which customer steps are part of SAP Field Service Management self-service? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1 Monitor the execution stage. Option 2 Record the progress of the incident. Option 3 Assign parts to the incident. Option 4 Record the incident via the website. Option 5 Scan a QR code. Question: where in the SAP Field Service Management mobile app can you capture customer signature? Note: there are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 Service Call. Option 2 Checkout Report. Option 3 Business Partner. Option 4 Smart Form. Question: as a technician, you want to record the expenses. Which objects can you record the expenses against? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1 Activity. Option 2 Equipment. Option 3 Purchase Order. Option 4 Service Call. Option 5 Business Partner. Question: where can service workflow steps can be used in SAP Field Service Management? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 in mobile application when executing an activity. Option 2 in the web application when planning a service. Option 3 in customer self-service when submitting a self-service request. Option 4 in field service management crowd service when dispatching a call. Question: as an administrator, which actions you can take on the Time and Material Journal tab? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1 Close. Option 2 Approve. Option 3 Review. Option 4 Release. Option 5 Delete. Question: what is the first step a technician needs to take to add a smart form within SAP Field Service Management mobile app? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 Select a template. Option 2 Select a record from the linked object. Option 3 Select a linked object. Option 4 Select whether is mandatory. Question: in which scenario of service engagement does SAP Field Service Management primarily provide capabilities to complement? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 High Touch. Option 2 No Touch. Option 3 Video Chat. Option 4 Email Interaction. Question: you are an administrator responsible for maintaining settings at account and company level. Which of the following settings would you maintain in company level? Note: there are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 Screen configurations. Option 2 Password policy. Option 3 Business Rules. Option 4 User Groups. Question: what can you do with a checklist? Choose 2 correct answers. Option 1 Transfer information to the technicians. Option 2 Transfer information from the technicians to ERP. Option 3 Approve efforts. Question: which checklist elements are available in Core Systems Field Service Solution? Choose 3 correct answers. Option 1 Checkbox. Option 2 PDF. Option 3 Description. Option 4 Text input. Option 5 Table. Question: what are the sum of the available options to create dashboard reports? Choose 2 correct answers. Option 1 Use pre-assembled reports. Option 2 Use pre-assembled queries. Option 3 Import report templates. Option 4 Import queries. Question: on mobile, can you access customized reports offline? Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 False. Option 2 True. Question: if your customer would like to approve efforts, expenses, materials and mileage before it synchronizes to the air, how can he do that? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 He can approve from his Field Services mobile app. Option 2 He can go to Workforce Management and access the Time and Material Journal, where he will be able to approve, reject or make changes to these entries. Option 3 He can only approve in the ERP. Question: what is the recommended browser for the screen configuration tool? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 Internet Explorer. Option 2 Google Chrome. Option 3 Firefox. Option 4 Microsoft Edge. Question: which activity execution stage is relevant for mobile service workflows? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 in execution. Option 2 in planning. Option 3 in dispatching. Option 4 closed. Question: how would a field service technician update the service assignment status? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 by opening the service assignments. Option 2 by navigating to the address on the service assignments. Option 3 by setting the relevant workflow step. Option 4 by adding a checklist. Question: which checklist elements are available in Core Systems Field Service Solution? Choose 3 correct answers. Option 1 Status. Option 2 Formula. Option 3 Picker. Option 4 iSignature. Option 5 File Library. Question: what are some of the SAP Field Service Management crowd service capabilities? Choose 3 correct answers. Option 1 Crowd workers can accept or reject assignments within a set time frame. Option 2 Configurable onboarding platform to invite partners. Option 3 Automatic determination of activity, effort and materials consumed. Option 4 intelligent scheduling to determine the best qualified technician. Option 5 crowd workers can reschedule assignments within a set time frame. Question: your customer wants to apply his corporate identity on every cloud report. What tasks have to be done? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 cloud reports are not adjustable. Option 2 you need to download the cloud reporting Jasper Soft Studio software and adjust the cloud reports. Option 3 you need to order individual reports at core systems. Question: what options does a technician have to record travel time against an activity in the SAP Service Management Module app? Choose 3 correct answers. Option 1 from the home page menu by creating a manual entry. Option 2 from the equipment menu after checkout. Option 3 from the activity menu by creating a manual entry. Option 4 from the efforts menu by selecting the activity object type. Option 5 from the activity record after the workflow step is set to finished. Question: what is a DTO? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 a date/time object. Option 2 a data transfer object in the core systems cloud. Option 3 an upload tool to send data from Excel to the cloud. Question: your customer needs to check the correctness of technician's time, material and expense entries. What is the best way to solve that requirement? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 you need to log in as an admin user to the field service app on the smartphone and can change technician entries there. Option 2 technician entries can be approved or modified in the workforce management app, time and material journal. Option 3 approval of material expenses, mileages or time efforts is not yet implemented. Option 4 technician entries can only be changed in ERP itself. Option 5 technicians entries are final and no adjustments can be done anymore. Question: which checklist elements are available in Core Systems Field Service Solution? Choose 3 correct answers. Option 1 series. Option 2 number input. Option 3 attachment picker. Option 4 concatenator. Option 5 date and time input. Question: you need to auto-assign checklists on a service job depending on the type of equipment. How is it possible? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 it's not possible. Option 2 it is possible by adding a business rule in the admin app. Option 3 it and #39 s only possible with a paid feature request at SAP. Question: which possibilities are offered in FSM to limit the amount of data which is synced to the mobile app? Choose 2 correct answers. Option 1 configure IDs since last change to mark obsolete I and #39, visibility days and #39, settings in the company settings section. Option 2 use data sync rules. Option 3 make permissions more restrictive in the user group of the affected user. Question: as an administrator, you can maintain setting at different levels. Which statements explain how you apply these settings? Choose 2 correct answers. Option 1 you apply account level settings to all databases. Option 2 you apply company level settings to all databases. Option 3, you apply account level settings to a specific database. Option 4, you apply company level settings to a specific database. Question: which tool is used to build an online cloud report and hashtag 39? Choose the correct answer. Option 1, Crystal Reports. Option 2, Casper Studio. Option 3, Microsoft Reports. Option 4, Jaspersoft Studio. Option 5, Crystal Dashboards. Question: you are an administrator responsible for maintaining setting at account and company level. Which of the following settings do you maintain at company level? Choose 2 correct answers. Option 1, Screen Configurations. Option 2, Password Policy. Option 3, Business Rules. Option 4, User Groups. Question: which statements are correct in regards of approvals inside workforce management? Choose 3 correct answers. Option 1, purchase orders are approved when all materials are approved. Option 2, it is possible to change amount/quantity of efforts prior to approval. Option 3, by assigning permission for approval, all relevant objects appear on the journal ready for action. Option 4, business rules are necessary for activating the approval necessity in a company. Question: you want to create a new smart form. Which fields can you define? Choose the correct answer. Option 1, name, description, category, labels. Option 2, name, description, revision, type. Option 3, description, category, revision, tag. Option 4, description, revision, type, tag. Question: which of the following things are part of the field service mobile app? And hashtag 39, choose 2 correct answers. Option 1, projects. Option 2, service calls. Option 3, activities. Option 4, skills. Question: which duties a dispatcher has at least, using field service workforce management? Choose the correct answer. Option 1, assign service call to a technician. 2, release assignment. 3, set service call and hashtag 39, technically complete and hashtag 39. Option 2, assign service call to a technician. 2, release assignment. 3, call technician. Option 3, assign service call to a technician. 2, enter customer's address into master data. 3, release assignment. Option 4, assign service call to a technician. 2, release assignment. 3, set service call and hashtag 39, financially complete and hashtag 39. Option 5, open SAP call. 2, create assignment reservation. 3, set service call and hashtag 39, financially complete and hashtag 39. Question: which checklist elements are available in Core Systems Field Service Solution? Choose 3 correct answers. Option 1, series. Option 2, number input. Option 3, attachment picker. Option 4, concatenator. Option 5, date and time input. Question: which aspect of SAP Field Service Management helps meet customers' expectations for real-time service? Choose the correct answer. Option 1, SAP Field Service Management Customer Self-Service. Option 2, SAP Field Service Management Company. Option 3, SAP Field Service Management Crowd Service. Option 4, SAP Field Service Management Account Service. Question: the dispatcher has recently joined the service company and does not know yet his colleagues. How is SAP Field Service Solution supporting the dispatcher in finding suitable technicians for open service tasks? Choose 4 correct answers. Option 1, by right-click on the activity and choosing option and hashtag 39, find matching technician and hashtag 39, all qualified technicians are shown on the screen. Option 2, the solution dozen and hashtag 39, help. The dispatcher has to find out himself, e.g. by asking colleagues, if a technician is able to conduct a job or not. Option 3, the dispatcher can see what and hashtag 39, skills and hashtag 39, have been assigned to the technician in order to find out if he qualifies for the job. Option 4, the dispatcher sees the open time slots of each technician in the planning board and can be sure that he is capable of doing the job. Option 5, you can browse to the business partner master data and look up which technician has been doing the job for past service calls. Question: on mobile, can you access customized reports offline? Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1, false. Option 2, true. Question: as a technician, you want to record expenses. Which objects can you record expenses against? Choose 3 correct answers. Option 1, activity. Option 2, equipment. Option 3, purchase order. Option 4, service call. Option 5, business partner. Question: you are an administrator who needs to activate the reserved materials feature in the mobile app. Which permission operations must you maintain for the reserved material object type? Choose 2 correct answers. Option 1, delete. Option 2, create. Option 3, update. Option 4, read. Question: which tool is recommended by Core Systems for presenting your Android and iPhone mobile screen on a desktop computer? Choose the correct answer. Option 1, AirPlay. Option 2, Mirroring 360. Option 3, FaceTime. Option 4, ActiveX. Option 5, Chromecast. Question: your customer wants that field technicians can record time on their mobile with just one button click. What feature has to be activated and configured in Core Systems Field Service in order to satisfy your customer? Choose the correct answer. Option 1, check-in feature. Option 2, checkout feature. Option 3, workflow steps feature. Option 4, activity feedback feature. Option 5, GPS tracking feature. Question: which of the following are typical field service mobile app users? Choose the correct answer. Option 1, back office workers. Option 2, field service technicians. Option 3, dispatchers. Option 4, managers. Question: where in the mobile app can a user add pictures and hashtag 39? Choose 2 correct answers. Option 1, on a business partner. Option 2, on a service call. Option 3, with a checklist. Option 4 in an expense. Question, if your customer would like to approve efforts, expenses, materials and mileage before it synchronizes to the air, how can he do that? Choose the correct answer. Option 1, he can approve from his field services mobile app. Option 2, he can go to workforce management and access the time and material journal, where he will be able to approve, reject or make changes to these entries. Option 3, he can only approve in the ERP. Question, SAP FSM uses full text search / Elasticsearch in its web applications views and filters. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 false. Option 2 true. Question, which object can you approve using the time and material journal? Choose 3 correct answers. Option 1 mileage. Option 2 quotation. Option 3 work time. Option 4 efforts. Option 5 expenses. Question, data transmission to and from the cloud is encrypted through SSL. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question, how would a field service technician update the service assignment status? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 by opening the service assignments. Option 2 by navigating to the address on the service assignments. Option 3 by setting the relevant workflow step. Option 4 by adding a checklist. Question, where and how do I create filters for the service calls of my company? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 you need to create these filters in administration. Option 2 in workforce management, you can create new filters for your service calls queue. Option 3 you need to create these filters in the ERP backend system. Option 4 all of the above. Question, which actions are prerequisites to implement registered products? Note, there are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 scope registered products. Option 2 purchase a license for the registered product. Option 3 maintain the installed base. Option 4 maintain number ranges for customers. Question, when should you use the templates provided in the data workbench? Note, there are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 when data volume is low. Option 2 when data needs to be loaded quickly. Option 3 when data needs to be loaded into multiple systems. Option 4 when there is unstructured legacy data. Question, what are the main uses for warranty management in SAP Service Cloud? Note, there are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 the system can be set up so that certain incident categories are not covered. Option 2 routing rules can be applied to warranties. Option 3 the agent is prompted to upsell a warranty to the customer. Option 4 when an agent creates a ticket with a registered product, the warranty is automatically determined. Question, which option do you have to mark a field as mandatory? Option 1 page layout configuration. Option 2 Disable personalization settings. Option 3 Maintenance of access restrictions in the business role. Option 4 Use key user tool adaptation. Question: what is required to set up the organizational structure correctly? Option 1 The root node/uppermost node must be defined as a service organization. Option 2 The root node/uppermost node must be defined as a company. Option 3 The root node/uppermost node must be defined as a sales organization. Option 4 The root node/uppermost node must be defined as an enterprise. Question: which feature in user interface maintenance can be used to control the values of custom fields? Option 1 Activation scoping item in administration. Option 2 Personalization. Option 3 Usage of restriction rules. Option 4 Code list restriction. Question: which feature allows the scheduling of automatic ticket creation? Option 1 Realignment run. Option 2 Service plans. Option 3 Registered products. Option 4 Maintenance plans. Question: which data is bidirectionally synchronized between SAP Cloud for Customer and SAP Field Service Management? Option 1 Employees. Option 2 Products. Option 3 Tickets. Option 4 Accounts. Question: which fields can be determined by using service level agreements? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. Option 1 Service category. Option 2 Ticket due date. Option 3 Status. Option 4 Service level of incoming tickets. Question: which action is a prerequisite to implement registered products? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. Option 1 Maintain number ranges for customers. Option 2 Maintain installed base. Option 3 Purchase a license for the registered product. Option 4 Scope registered products. Question: you request external prices from SAP ERP for your contract document. What do you need to display a valid condition record in SAP Service Cloud? Option 1 Price scale. Option 2 Cross-selling list. Option 3 Price list. Option 4 Pricing procedure. Question: when should you use the templates provided in the data workbench? Option 1 When the mass change account data tool is used. Option 2 When customer data needs to be loaded quickly. Option 3 When there is unstructured legacy data. Option 4 When data volume is low. Question: which elements can be used to restrict access to views? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. Option 1 Business roles. Option 2 Field extensions. Option 3 Territories. Option 4 Code list restrictions. Question: which elements are used to calculate the due dates defined in service level agreements, SLAs? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. Option 1 Operating hours. Option 2 Maintenance plan. Option 3 Service contract. Option 4 Working calendar. Question: which key user features allow you to change field properties on the SAP Service Cloud UL? Option 1 Code list restriction. Option 2 Workflow rules. Option 3 Adaptation. Option 4 Mashup. Question: you want to create a maintenance plan for a vehicle check at 10,000 kilometers or 12 months. What schedule condition and schedule type do you use? Option 1 Absolute, counter-based. Option 2 One-time. No condition, time, and counter-based. Option 3 One-time, fixed. Option 4 One-time, time, and counter-based. Question: what can you use to keep track of new knowledge base articles and changes made to the existing ones if you have set up SAP Jam as a knowledge base? Option 1 Knowledge base fine-tuning activity. Option 2 Solution Finder. Option 3 Broadcast. Option 4 Feed. Question: what are the different types of mashups available in SAP Service Cloud? Note: there are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 HTML mashups. Option 2 URL mashups. Option 3 internal mashups. Option 4 ASAP mashups. Question: what are the advantages of using the mashup approach when integrating in SAP Business Objects BL system? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1 Offline access is available. Option 2 Existing reports can be reused. Option 3 No security issues with mashup outside of corporate network. Option 4 Real-time data access. Option 5 No additional authorization concept is required. Question: which service objects can you assign to an installed base? Note: there are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 Ticket. Option 2 Visit. Option 3 Maintenance plan. Option 4 Contract.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.